how to withdraw money from PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your PrizePicks account either on website or on your mobile application and make sure that you have verified your account in order to withdraw. Otherwise, you won't be able to withdraw. So after verifying your account, just simply click on this option of your profile. And in case if you are on mobile device, then you will be able to find this option by clicking on the top left hand side corner lines, the three lines at the top. Just click on it and you will be able to find the option of request withdrawal, and this way you would be able to request the withdrawal of the money that you have in your PrizePicks. But you won't be able to withdraw all of your money in case if you have not utilized all the deposits that you have made. Suppose you have deposited $50 and you have only utilized $25, then you won't be able to withdraw the funds. So make sure that you deposit only the amount that you can utilize. Otherwise, you won't be able to withdraw the funds. And this is how it all works. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.